Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lee's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to fry fish. And we're going to make it just like the fish and chip shops. So this is a 3-part series where I show you how to fry fish, how to do triple cooked chips, and how to do scalloped potatoes, just like the fish and chip shop, or even better. Firstly, I'm setting up my fryer to 175 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm using rice bran oil. This is my preferred oil for deep frying. Now we're going to make the batter. So I've got a cup of plain flour here. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Half a teaspoon of curry powder. And also half a teaspoon of turmeric, just for its colour. And then add some pepper and some salt. And now I'm going to add soda water. So now we're going to add the soda water and stir it to a pancake consistency. So you might need to just add it gradually, a little bit at a time, until you get that consistency. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of butter. This actually adds to the mouthfeel, and it makes it taste a lot better when it's deep fried. That's about how it should look. So now I'm going to slice up the fish. So I'm using Ling, which is readily available here in Australia. It's a nice firm fish, ideal for frying, and it's also cost effective as well. It's not too expensive. Now the fry's heated, we're going to dip the fish into seasoned flour. And then into the batter. I like to use tongs and hold it by the corner and just dip it completely in the batter. And then once you got it coated, get the majority of the drips off it and then into the fryer. Holding the fish, hold it in the oil for a little bit, and that'll help the batter cook a little bit so it doesn't actually stick to the actual basket. So as you can see, when I put it in the oil, I don't completely let go of it. I hold on to it and just let it just cook just a little bit before I just let go of it. And let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes, turning frequently until the fish is cooked. Doesn't that look good? So this batter recipe I've been following forever. Since I found the recipe somewhere ages ago, I've been using this forever and I absolutely love it. So let's give it a go. Pretty good. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good old like. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. bye.